Hello students. Students, today we are going to learn the theorems of the chapter Tangent to the Circle. Theorem number 1. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So student, O is the center of the circle, OC is the radius, AB is the tangent, C is the point of contact. Okay, so the information should be written in the given. O is the center of the circle, AB is a tangent, C is the point of contact, and OC is the radius of the circle. To prove OC is perpendicular to the AB. Okay, so to prove this we have to do some construction. Let's take a point D on the tangent AB and join OD intersecting the circle at E. So take a point D on the tangent AB, join OD intersecting the circle at E. Correct? Okay. Now students, how we can prove? In the figure, student, you can see OD is greater than OE, or we can say OE is smaller than OD, because OE is a part of the line segment OD. So we know that part is smaller than the whole. So we can write here OE less than OD, because a part is less than the whole. Okay, but student, you can see OC equals to OE, because both are radii, and we know that radii of a circle are equal. So I have written here OE equals to OC, radii of the same circle are equal. So at the place of OE we can write OC. So OC is less than OD. So now student, OC is less than OD. Correct? So we can write here OC is the shorter than any other line segment joining of any point of the tangent AB to the center. Okay. Suppose student, I will take one more point here, E, F or G. So all the line segment means OF and OG are also bigger than OC. Correct? Okay. It means OC is the shortest line segment drawn from center O to tangent AB. So that's why I have written here OC is the shortest distance of the center from the tangent AB. And we know that the shortest line segment is perpendicular to the base. Okay? Students, this is the shortest line segment drawn from center to the tangent. If we draw any other line segment, then all the line segments are bigger than OC. So OC is the shortest line segment, and we know that the shortest line segment is perpendicular to the base. Therefore, OC is perpendicular to AB. So I have written, we know that the shortest line segment is perpendicular to the base. That's why OC is perpendicular to AB. Hence, proved. Okay students. Now students, second theorem. Theorem number 2. The length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Okay. So I have drawn a figure student. O is the center of the circle. P is an external point and two tangents PA and PB are drawn from center from P to the circle, and we have to prove that PA equals to PB. So students, O is the center of the circle, P is an external point, two tangents PA and PB are drawn to the circle to prove PA equals to PB. To prove this, we have to do some construction. Join PO, OA and OB. Correct? Proof. In triangle PAO and triangle PBO, PAO and triangle PBO. Students, angle OAP equals to angle OBP, because each 90 we have just proved in previous theorem. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So we can say angle A equals to angle B. Okay. So angle OAP equals to angle OBP, each 90 radius perpendicular to the tangent. OP equals to OP, common side. Okay. And OA equals to OB. Radii of same circle are equal. OA equals to OB, radii of same circle are equal. So both triangles are congruent. Triangle PAO congruent to triangle PBO by RHS congruency. Correct? Then we can say PA equals to PB by CP CT. Okay. So we have proved by the help of congruency that PA equals to PB. So tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are always equal. If PA is 5 centimeter in length, then PB also 5 centimeter. And student, if we want to prove one thing more, that the line joining the center to the intersection point of tangent is the angle bisector. Students, we can also write this angle equals to this angle, angle 1 equals to angle 2, and angle this, angle AOP equals to angle OBOP, and angle APO equals to angle BPO by CP CT, corresponding part of congruent triangles. So we can easily prove that OP is angle bisector. So remember, the line joining the intersecting point of the tangent to the center is the angle bisector. Okay, I am going to give this theorem to do in homework. By same way we have to prove. Okay.